Hey friends, welcome back to How Do You Cook? Back to Basics. My name is Andrea, and for those of you that have been here for a while or have been here from the very beginning, welcome back. And for those of you that are new, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. So today we're going to be making a honey pineapple barbecue chicken foil pack because it's just so easy. You can get all your ingredients together, mix them all up, divide them into like 4 packets and cook them up. First thing you'll need to do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees or your grill to 400 degrees, either one. I am using this Sweet Baby Ray's Hawaiian style barbecue sauce. Now you'll want to add 1 cup of this in a bowl, 1 full cup. I have 2 tablespoons of raw honey. I'm going to add that in here. I have 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder and smoked paprika. Add that. You'll want to take a wire whisk and mix all this well together. Mix it all up. Okay, we did mix that in a really large bowl because we will be adding all of our other ingredients to this bowl as well. Here I have 2 large chicken breasts that I did wash off and cut into pretty large chunks. We're going to add that to our bowl. And here I have 1.5 pounds of small yellow gold potatoes. This is 1.5 pounds. You don't need all of this if you don't want, but if you love potatoes, by all means, add it all. And I love potatoes, so we're gonna add all those potatoes in there. Okay, next we're gonna add a cup of pineapple chunks, and make sure you drain out all the liquid before you measure out your 1 cup. So now we're gonna add that whole cup to there. I have 1 bell pepper that I did clean and slice. We're going to put that entire bell pepper in that bowl. Next, I have a half of an onion that I did slice up. We're going to add that. We're going to get all of our ingredients, fold all of this into our barbecue sauce. The next thing we're going to do is distribute our barbecue chicken and vegetables into our foil packets, but I wanted to show you how I made my foil packets. I'm going to set this over. I have a pretty large sheet of aluminum foil right here. Now we're going to do the shiny side down, and the long ways of your aluminum foil, you will fold it in half. Fold it in half completely. Then you're going to take the top of one side and fold it down. Then you're going to pull it, flip it over, and do the same. Now, as you can see, this is what it looks like right now. So next, we're going to turn it over on the sides, and we're going to fold in one side. Then we're going to do like a accordion style fold. We're going to fold it 3 different times on each side, okay? Gonna do that one side, flip it over, do that, and flip it over again. I am using Reynolds Wrap heavy duty aluminum foil. Now, if you don't have heavy duty aluminum foil, just double up your aluminum foil and make your packs that way so that you don't have any leakage. So now I'm going to go ahead and add in my stuff to my foil packet. We're going to do these 1 scoop at a time. I'm going to put 2 scoops in this one. For now. Then I'm going to set this over. I want to make sure that they're evenly distributed. So, and there's a lot in this bowl. This feeds 4 people, and it's gonna be good, y'all. This is what our foil packet looks like on the inside. I'm going to drizzle just a little bit of olive oil to the top. Here's another little bit of oil and some salt and pepper. Next thing you'll do is just fold these up until they're nice and tight. You can tell which ones have the most and which ones do not. So you can basically pick them up and see. This one has the least in it, so I'm gonna place that right there in the middle. And the ones that have the most, I'm gonna put right there on the edges. And now we're gonna place these in our 400-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. I will check these to make sure that our chicken is done and our potatoes are done. Now, if they're not completely cooked all the way through, just pop these back in the oven for about 5 to 10 more minutes. Continue doing that until your potatoes and your chicken is completely done on the inside. It is finally time to try out this honey pineapple barbecue chicken foil packet for you all. This is what it looks like on the inside. Y'all, it is so hot. I hope I don't burn my mouth. But I'm gonna try this out for y'all. I'm gonna get a piece of chicken, maybe a piece of pineapple, if I can grab it, and maybe, there we go. I do have a bell pepper and a piece of chicken and a piece of pineapple. Y'all, it's still really hot. Here's your bite. And here's mine. Oh my gosh. I hope you all enjoyed this episode on how do you cook back to basics. And if you did, please hit that like button and please do consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. Until next time, y'all. Bye-bye now.